Hello, welcome to today's in-depth lesson of understanding subject pronouns. We will unravel the intricacies of subject pronouns in Spanish. Whether you're just starting or need a refresher, this video will help you become a subject pronoun pro. Bienvenidos, mi nombre es Job Viramontes, one of your ambassadors for Spanish 55. In this channel, we provide you with some of the most amazing tips and tricks to improve your Spanish like a pro. Before we start, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the latest videos. To start, let's understand the foundation of subject pronouns. These are words that replace nouns in order to indicate who or what is performing an action in a sentence. Subject pronouns streamline our language and prevent repetitions. They are like the puzzle pieces that complete the sentence. Here is a handy chart of subject pronouns in Spanish. Yo, I. Tú, you, informal. Usted, formal. Él, he. Ella, she. Nosotros, nosotras, we. Ustedes, you all. Ellos, ellas, they. Notice that the pronoun ustedes is indifferent to gender. However, in Spain, they might use vosotros y vosotras in order to differentiate the gender. In both cases, the translation will be you all. Each pronoun represents a different person or group performing the action. Now, let's see all of these pronouns in action. Yo estudio español. I study Spanish. Tú eres amable. You are kind. Él trabaja en una oficina. He works in an office. Ella vive en Madrid. She lives in Madrid. Nosotros vamos al cine. We're going to the movies. Ustedes tienen hambre. You're all hungry. Vosotros habláis rápido. You all speak fast. Exactly, the conjugation in Spain also changes. And lastly, ellos están felices. They are happy. And remember, ustedes is versatile, used both formally and informally to address a group. But hold on, there's one special scenario to consider. When addressing a mixed gender group, use the masculine plural form. For instance, if you're talking to a mixed group of both girls and guys, you would use the pronoun ellos. Notice how the verb end changed in order to match the subject pronoun. Hablo, I speak. Hablas, you speak. Habla, he or she speaks. Hablamos, we speak. Hablan, they, you all speak. Conjugation aligns with the subject pronoun identity. Subject pronouns also shine in questions and commands. Let's explore. When forming questions in Spanish, you might notice that the order of the subject pronoun and the verb might be inverted. For example, él habla español. He speaks Spanish. The question form could be either él habla español or habla él español. The last one could be a very formal way of saying it. But to be honest, the most common form is él habla español. In terms of yes or no questions, the structure is very simple. ¿Tú hablas inglés? ¿Ellos van al cine? Are you able to translate these two sentences? Write it on the box below. Here is a very elegant feature of Spanish. Subject pronouns can often be omitted if the context is clear, and it is a sign of fluency. In order to avoid the pronoun, it depends on how much information you have about the subject or how long the subject has been addressed by all the speakers. The question will be as follows. ¿Van al cine? ¿Hablas inglés? ¿Habla español? Implicitly, everyone in the conversation knows who they're talking about. So there is no need for the pronoun. Now let's shift to commands. In Spanish, subject pronouns are often included in commands. This to clarify who the command is directed to. Hey tú, habla más despacio. You, speak more slowly. Ustedes, abran sus libros. You all, open your books. Subject pronouns bring clarity to commands and ensures everyone knows their role. Felicitaciones! You've mastered the art of subject pronouns in Spanish. Remember, they are like your linguistic allies, aiding clear communication. Whether chatting with friends or crafting paragraphs, Subject pronouns make your Spanish sparkle. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon you'll wield them with finesse. In Spanish 55, we love seeing you growing and learning with us. Feel comfortable enough to get in touch with any of our tutors if you need any personalized assistance or guidance. And turn on the bell button so we can meet in the next video. Adiós y hasta pronto!